Adding and subtracting whole numbers, decimals, and negatives. Subtract decimals. When subtracting decimals, we must line up the place values. Important, we may need additional zeros in order to line up. To place a decimal, we're going to bring it straight down. In example 1, we have 3.4 minus 1.29. So we have 3.4 minus 1.29. We need to put a place value above our 9 of a 0 so that we have digits there. Now when I go to subtract, 0 is smaller than 9, so I have to borrow from my neighbor. So I'm going to borrow 1 from my 4, leaving me with 3. And now I'll have 10 minus 9, which would be 1. 3 minus 2 would be 1. 3 minus 1 would be 2. And we'll bring our decimal straight down. So my answer then is 2.11. In example 2, we have 4.03 minus 0.051. Notice that my place values are all lined up, and I need to add a 0 in so that I have a value above my 1. 0 is smaller than 1, so I'm going to borrow from my neighbor, and that will leave me with 2. That now gives me 10 minus my 1, which would be 9. My 2 is smaller than my 5, so I need to borrow from my neighbor. Notice I don't have anything on the immediate right. It's a 0, so I need to go clear over to my 4. So if I borrow 1 from there, that leaves me with 3. I now have 10 in my next spot. We want to borrow 1 from that, leaving me with 9. And then I now have 12 above my 5. So 12 minus 5 would be 7. 9 minus 0 would be 9. And 3 minus 0 will be 3. Bring my decimal straight down, and I'm going to have 3.979.